this, yeah? There was defending, yeah? And you got to try to get them.
Alright, can I have a ball, please? Can I have a ball? Thank you. So today, guys, we're going to work on our fast break.
Yes, please. I want to say, why are you coming fast in the radio?
No, you didn't. That's not what Box, get in front. Get in front of him. Oh, you're bouncing here. From your pass. He's got to be in front of you. Good. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. He's got, wait. Yes. Follow your pass. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. Follow your pass. Follow your pass.
I want to make a shot.
Score. Nice. There you are. Are you ready? And go. Good. 1, 2. Oh! All right, come in, gentlemen. Let's start. Hey. And Jason.
Yeah, what you done out there was amazing. Okay, I want you to feel proud of yourself. I understand that you can't concentrate, and when things ain't happening, you get wild, but you proved yourself, and I love that. I want you to repeat this next week for us. Yeah, you enjoying this? Well done, star boy. You got the shots in, didn't you? Well done.